how to add music in CapCut. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to add music in CapCut. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the CapCut app on your phone. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on new video to start a new project. And now here on the next section, just select the video that you want to add and edit. And here, once you have done selecting it, you can just tap on add button, which can be seen in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here, once you do that, the video will be added to the timeline. Now here, once you're done with it, you can just look at the bottom and there you'll see different options. So from there, you can just tap on audio. And after that, you'll now see different options like sounds, sound effects, and records as well. From there, you just have to tap on sounds. And after that, on the next pop-up menu, you can use CapCut built-in music. You can search for specific tracks or you can explore trending sounds as well. So there, you can just tap on the music that you like and want to add, and here once you have done selecting it, you can just tap on the plus button which can be seen beside that particular music. And here once you do that, the music will be added with your video. Now here, once you have added the music with the video, you can trim it if you like. You can adjust the volume as well. You can split it or move it to different section to match the vibe perfectly with your video. And here once you're done with everything, you can just tap on export button which can be seen in the top right corner of the screen. And that's it. That's how you can add music in CapCut. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.